Hi there, science classes. Just a quick video for you with some instructions for your 2-day birdwatching assignment. So, the last 2 days you should have done an outdoor clothes hanger exploration assignment, and today we're sending you back into your backyard to look for some birds. So for this activity, I would take out side with you paper, pen or pencil, your senses, and I want a quick picture of you outside just because, well, we miss your faces. So show us that you got outside and send us a quick selfie. So part 1, this is designed to be a 2-day assignment. So what I would suggest is today on Thursday doing part 1, tomorrow on Friday doing part 2. So part 1 says go outside and spend 10 minutes looking for and listening to the birds around your house. Make some initial observations about size, colors, and shapes of the birds you see, if you can see them. If not, just kind of be listening at what they sound like and those kinds of things. Take a selfie of yourself outside. Then the first thing you're going to do is put that selfie right here. So you should be able to click here, put insert image, and then if you have it on the computer, you can upload it. You can upload it to Drive and put it in that way too. And then go insert from Drive and enter in your picture there. After you've jotted down some notes while you're outside, you can fill this in a little bit with just some of the birds that you saw. So I know at our house we have a lot of small birds that are brown and white and gray, and they have very pointy beaks. And they are, well, pretty narrow tail. I don't know. They're pretty average looking birds. I don't want to say average shape. We also have woodpeckers, where I would say they are more of a medium size. And our flickers have red on them. They are also gray and black, and they have a very long beak and long tails. Okay, so there's just a quick example there, just some quick thoughts about whatever birds. These are just the boxes I can fit. If you only do 2, that's fine. If you want to add more, you can go what is that, right click and do insert row below, and that'll give you another box if you want to add more. Okay, part 2 that I would suggest doing on Friday is looking at these pictures of common backyard birds in Colorado and answer the questions. So this is the first one. This was backyard birds of Colorado, and then this one was a little bit more specific to Rocky Mountains. So what I would suggest here is going up here to your zoom and zooming in a little bit more. Ooh, that was a lot of bit more. So that you can see the pictures a little better. So, my first bird right here was the house sparrow that I was talking about with the black and brown and white. I think I said gray. But yeah, so there's the first bird that I noticed that I was able to identify. And let's look at this one and see if I can find my other woodpecker. Oh, here it is. Northern flicker. So like I said, he's got his red, he's black and brown and spotted. So now I'm going to go down here. Ooh, I'm going to zoom back out because that's really close and really big. Were you able to identify some of the birds in the pictures? Which ones? What features were most helpful for identifying them? Yes, I was able to identify the house sparrow and the, what kind of flicker was it called? Northern flicker. And I would say the colors and sizes were the most helpful in identifying those. What are some adaptations you noticed on some of the birds? Flickers are woodpeckers, so I noticed that they had a really long, probably really hard beak for pounding into things. How do these adaptations help them survive? Well, the flickers drill into holes to find bugs to eat, and they drill holes into trees to have places to shelter themselves. So that really hard beak would be an adaptation to help them find food and to help them find shelter. How do birds fit into the ecosystem you live in, and what roles do they play? This one I'm going to leave a little bit more up to you, but think about those food chains pyramids that we did at the beginning of the year. Think about birds like sparrows and finches, how little birds fit in, how bigger birds like flickers fit in, and even bigger birds like maybe hawks or eagles, those kinds of things that we have in Colorado. How do those fit in our ecosystem, and what different roles do they play in our ecosystem? So, good luck with this. Let us know if you have any questions. We miss you lots, and we hope you enjoy this.